Hi, we're Team Heartbridge. My name is Sora.
I'm Fusang. I'm Qiyue.
Louis.
I'm Xinyi Shao.
We're so proud to present Ask What Matters, an adaptive AI that asks travelers one or two smart follow-up questions after review to keep Expedia's property data fresh. Currently, Expedia's review prompts are static as they ask the same thing every time. That creates three problems. First, stale data. 78% of travelers only trust the most recent reviews, but Expedia does not have a function to refresh aging claims. Second, saturated data. 81% of reviews already cover cleanliness. We keep asking what we already know. Third, missing data. 5 of 15 rating dimensions sit at zero coverage. The questions travelers weigh were not asked, creating a gap in the data.
So we designed an integration of AI ML hybrid model to solve each pain point. For stale data, when newer reviews contradict older claims, our system flags it. The LLM writes a refresh question and updates in the database. For saturation, NLP reads what the user already wrote, plus the subratings. The AI asks about something they didn't cover or digs into a low rating to learn why. For missing data, we track which categories never get answered per property. The AI writes a natural question to fill the biggest gap.
Our system generates 2 follow-up questions after every guest review. They never overlap. Question 1 follows the user. We classify their review text into a topic and ask an unresolved issue in that category. If there's no text, we ask about their rated dimension instead. Question 2 follows our data needs. It prioritizes resolving conflicts from contradictory past reviews, then targets the knowledge gaps ranked by utility and staleness. The whole pipeline, ML detection, question generation via GPT 4.1 mini, and knowledge base updates, runs as a whole stack. Every interaction deepens what we know while addressing what the guest cares about.
So let me go over a demo now. So let's go to Bangkok. Let's say we give 5 overall rating. We have cleanliness, staff and service, location, and value for money. So let's say I love the overall stay, but I did not have fridge in my room. When the review analyzes it, it gives 2 follow-up questions. For the first question, it gives a personalized and highly relevant and multiple choices. So let's say you give some of the data to fill in the missing gaps, and another follow-up question comes in where it identifies mismatches between hotel description, review text, and gives another multiple choices. So when we update these, all of these solves the stale, missing, and saturated data problems. So here's a user experience that you can refer to.
Our solution not only benefits users but also benefits for business a lot. And first of all, we create better writer experiences by 1 to 2 personalized follow-ups with low friction. And then we can collect richer and fresher data, and this data would create more credible and correct signals for hotel seekers, which can help them to decide with higher booking confidence, and as a result, growth reinforces itself.
The pipeline runs end-to-end today from review ingestion to knowledge update. It's token efficient by design, as we retrieve only the most recent, decision-relevant signal per topic, so stale reviews never enter the prompt. By using the ML integrated hybrid model, we aim for a cost-effective engine. In terms of limitations, we deferred non-English translations, as it only captured 6% of reviews to keep the MVP stable and low latency.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.